Hi, Beauties. Good morning. I am coming to you from the Norwegian Viva from my balcony. It's a teeny tiny balcony, but it has a beautiful view. And I am going to reveal some Louis Vuitton items I have for y'all today. If you're interested in that and interested in seeing my view while I reveal my LV items to you, then come on back and we'll let you know what I've got. Alrighty, Being Beauties, good morning, good morning. It is 9:15 on the high seas today. It is Friday, February the 6th. We will be back home-ish, back in Texas anyway, tomorrow, February the 7th. It looks like it's getting colder as we're headed back into the States. It's been a crazy weather trip this time. I mean, it is January, so it was cold coming out. All of the world, pretty much, the United States, the world had that cold snap. We felt it for a while until we got out deep into the Caribbean. Then the last 2 days, we did 3 ports get rain. We got rain for sure, pour down rain when we were in Puerto Plata, I believe, Dominican Republic. We got rained at when we were in Cozumel, and we got rained on. I forgot where the other one was. Gosh, I can't remember. I'll try to put it on the screen where the third place was that we got rained on. It was like, at least it was a warm rain-ish. It is chilly today. The weather's been going back and forth, but we're not here about the weather. We're here about the Louis Vuitton reveal that I have for y'all. So I am going to show you a few pieces that I've got right here on my bag is, yes, I got this. This is the coveted Murakami charms from Louis Vuitton from the Murakami drop. The re-release, the second release. I was able to secure this from Candy Sweet Love for LV over on her Instagram resale shop. She's also now doing lives on YouTube, and then she has a second Instagram that she's also going live on. I think it's called Next Bag. I'll put it up on the screen for y'all. But she had this, and it was there for a while. Of course, you know, these are pricey, so a lot of people, you know, weren't ready to purchase them. It had a pretty great payment plan already. I messaged Josh, her husband. He's the one who handles all the negotiation stuff with the consigners, and I asked him if she would take an offer. She took my offer, and so I got it really close to not the original release, but the second one, because it released and then they went up on price like $20 or something. Everything did, so it was pretty close to the second one. And you know, y'all know how I am, crazy for my cherries. So I've got the giant cherry Murakami charms, and I could not be happier. I love all the accessories. So this is one of my LV Murakami pieces. Let me get the next item. This is from Fashion File. I got this. It's another charm, of course, and it is the 2018 Christmas animation. It's called the Cat's Bag Charm Ring, and it has the little hook here, and it has the little keychain there. And I got this because of the lion. Reminded me of my father-in-law. Was born in August, so he's a Leo, and he really, you know, loves that. So, and then it has a male and a female, so I figured it's my husband and myself. And traveling, what we love to do is travel. We love to travel together, and we So I got that. So I was excited about that. So I had this on layaway, I had the cherries on layaway, and I had the other piece on layaway for quite a long time. I think, is it 3 months? I think you can put these on layaway. And for the Murakami charm, it was, I think it was like 8 weeks that was the payment plan. And so I had it on that, was paying a little bit on it, but I also used my Sezzle card. So I was able to double my payment plans and pay it out. That's the only way this girl can get this kind of luxury. Let's get the next item. So the next item is this, my mini Pochette. It is of the cruise ship. I think this is 2016. I don't have, I left this information at home. I'll try to put it on the screen during editing. But I bought it to match this, which I had this on my bag as well. I purchased this last year in 2025 while we were on a staycation. My husband and I had a staycation to save money because in 2025 our goal was to pay off our mortgage. So we only had one vacation, and we stuck to our budget, our fund money budgets really strictly. And but this, I gave him a little bit of fund money, he gave me a little bit of fund money, and I purchased this last year. So then I wanted these. These had not come available for in 2025 at all. All of a sudden in 2026, all of these were being released. So this was in excellent condition, and it, you know, it has no wear. Whoever used it, it was minimal use. You will see what's inside. I have a what's in my travel bag, which I use this as my travel bag. So I was really excited about that. Like I said, I got these all on payment plan. So this was on a payment plan, and with Fashion File, along with this, along with this charm. Like I said, I purchased this in 2025, and then the Murakami cherries was on payment plan with Candy Sweet Love for LV. I also used my Sezzle card. So I used the payment plans. I paid the down payments on both of them with the Sezzle card, paid that off. Then I paid some more on my Sezzle card, paid that off, and then I took it out, and so then I finished paying everything off of my Sezzle card. So I got, if you're creative, I got to extend that. So I think these are like I think what is the reserve, 3 months on Fashion File, and then that consigner for Candy Sweet Love for LV had 8-week payment plan for the cherries. So I'm sorry, this and this was on 3 months at Fashion File. So I was pretty excited about that. I did a what's in my bag, in my travel bag video, which will come out after this. I also filmed it out here, and so hopefully you'll watch that. So these are my LV pieces that I purchased, and I'm really excited about. I mean, you know, I can't do high dollar LV, but I love the accessories. I'm crazy for accessories. So to be able to purchase these on payment plans, on the reserve, using my payment cards, and then able to add to my collection right here. Ooh, I guess if I wanted to wear it by itself, I could wear it like that. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know, I just like that. So I'm super happy with this. I like the size. The canvas is really soft, so I like that. So I was pretty excited about that. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed the scenery. Our next cruise is in May, and it's a family cruise, so I probably won't be able to be with y'all much in May when we go on our family cruise. We'll be on the Carnival cruise ship line with our family on that one, but I probably won't be able to do much because I'll be busy doing the granny thing. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, help me get to 2K. maybe about my birthday, February the 20th. So let me know. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Let me know? No. What is she saying? She's crazy. Like, subscribe, share. Oh, I was going to say, let me know if there's anything in particular you wanted to know about my cruise, about about the consigners, that kind of stuff. Alrighty, love y'all. Bye-bye.